The Battle of Roslin, fought on February 24, 1303, was a significant conflict during the First War of Scottish Independence. It took place near the village of Roslin, south of Edinburgh, Scotland. The battle was notable for the remarkable victory of the Scottish forces, led by John Comyn and Simon Fraser, against a much larger English army. The English, under the command of Sir John Seagrave, were conducting a punitive expedition into Scotland to suppress resistance. Seagrave's forces, estimated to be around 30,000, were divided into 3 separate divisions to cover more ground. The Scots, numbering only around 8,000, used strategic advantage and local knowledge to launch surprise attacks on the English divisions one by one. Early in the morning, the Scots ambushed the 1st Division of Sir Grave's army, catching them off guard and defeating them decisively. They then moved quickly to engage the 2nd and 3rd Divisions, employing similar surprise tactics. The success of the Scottish forces in defeating each division in detail showcased their tactical ingenuity and the effectiveness of their guerrilla warfare tactics. The English suffered heavy casualties, and the survivors were forced to retreat. The Battle of Roslin was a significant morale booster for the Scots and demonstrated their capability to resist English incursions despite being outnumbered. It remains a celebrated event in Scottish history, symbolizing resilience and strategic acumen during the struggle for independence.